In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this XIAOMI. First of all, pinch your device's display. Then select this gear icon at the bottom right corner of it. Now select More and scroll down. Following that, select Icon Size section and swipe left or right in order to adjust them. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, click on Home button and tap on the check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!